for that bouncer. Another very good shot. The slow outfield, but that's travel. Gone up in the air. This is going to be a very difficult catch. The best fielder in the... Lovely shot down the ground. Malik continues the form. And again, that one played with ease through the offside on this occasion. That's the short boundary you were talking about. 7-8 runs. And gone! An edge! It's a beautiful shot. Gee whiz, that is classic. Yes, sir! Lovely shot. Short boundary must be full. Played it fine. Should be four. You could argue that the only time a batsman might have a chance, that's enough on that ruling. I think that's the 50 now for Shoaib Malik. And brought up in 51 deliveries. Terrific form. And it continues. That's over the top. That's a beauty.
Beautifully played. Great use of the feet, and that's four. In the morning. This time again, good use of his feet. Will they come back for the second? They do. And I think he made double man. The bat is short. The bat just gets stuck in the mud there because of the soft mud there.
One on, then he's out. And that's what's happened.
He's had a go at that one, and it's vacant mid-wicket area. He can't go short. He's had a go at that one, mid-wicket. Absolutely vacant. Taking on the fourth, it's in the air. Player getting under it, and he's got it. Again, a little unlucky.
The ball's a shot one and pays the price. Oh, that's a biggie. That's gone the distance. What a shot.
Whip, and Moin has gone over the cover field and he run away to the boundary. He's gone to block and Mohamed can't even. Ends up with a big one. It's a huge six from Abdul Razak. Super hit.
192 for 6 in their 33 overs, Pakistan.
So the Pakistani supporters are happy. Important catch under pressure.
Direct hit. Moin Khan is convinced that they've got to run out here. He's picked a spot. And he's got 4 for it. Yeah! And got him. Got him. All the time. And that'll be close. That'll be very close. It's out. That's gone. Straight through him. Indians. He's gone straight over the bowler's head. And he's got this chance to hit with the spin. Gotcha! And he does that, but there's a fielder waiting to take that and takes it comfortably. You need a reminder as to how important. It's gone in the air again and straight to the fielder. They're catching everything the Pakistanis.
He's had a go at that one in the air, fielded under it. Pakistan has the game at the bowling point. Really being overtaken by the crowd.
Edge. That's going to be 4. Good use of the feet. Something that... Taken. Balaji has taken a very good catch. Ashish Nehra has picked up a wicket. There you are. They just love this length, the Australians.
Oh, it's gone. Big one, that's the big one.
Oh, brilliant work by Yuvraj. If he could only hit the stumps. He couldn't, and Hayden gets a life. Brilliant by Yuvraj.
Great stuff. That's what we're here to see. And he's gone! Finally! Hayden put out of his misery.
Again, a good shot, and Damien Martin. Ricky Ponting is gone. Seemed to be a little high. And Rohan Gavaskar goes for the same shot, same area, same fielder, misses it. Kumble needs to pitch it up. Got him! The edge, Andrew Symonds again looking very disappointed.
It's a big shot, Damien Martin. And bowled. Spin doing the damage once again. Well played. He's a busy player. Championship. Clean shot. He'll find the gap. Nicely played.
Beautifully hit, that might go all the way. In the air, but that should be taken. Fielder trying to get under it. Does he make it? Yes, that is an exceptional catch by Gavaskar. Withdraws and plays an inside-out shot. That's brilliant. Wonderfully played by Clark. 4 runs. This time he's gone over mid-wicket. Will that carry all the way? Yes. Inside out, that should be 4. Beautifully played, Michael Clark. In the air, has it found enough on it? And that's taken. That is awesome. That is exceptional. That is amazing.
In fact, I've called for the covers. With just 2 balls remaining, they've decided that they'll call for the covers.
Unfortunately, the rain denied India a chance to bat, and of course the match was officially abandoned.
And when you think of the qualifying for this final, you had Pakistan beating India in a reduced game, a game that didn't finish, Australia batting against India, and then a washout, and then we didn't even have a ball bowled when Australia would have faced Pakistan the other day. So very limited cricket in these two sides. And here's the first ball.
Oh, that's put away brilliantly. Down the track.
Mohammad Sami has struck. That's clear. Well clear of the fielder at square leg. It's gone very high in the air.
What a miss, and is it runs?
Big hit from Ricky Ponting, breaking the shackles, didn't quite get hold of it.
Oh, went for it again. This is very high. 2 people getting under it. Imran Farhad calls and picks it up. So, Ricky Ponting's effort, very brave. This time the pull well in front of square, and there might be the second boundary for Australia.
Use the sweep.
Well, on cue. We have a fine leg. No, we don't. So another boundary. Oh, how welcome is this for Australia?
A little bit of room, and he's put that past the point fielder for 4. And that's been hammered. It's really been bludgeoned through the covers. But yet it, yes it does. Oh, that is a handsome hit. Straight over the top. Couple of bounces. He's gone over the top. There's a fielder there. Not quite where he intended it to go, and that's the end of Matthew Hayden. That's got away. That was room outside the off stump. He had 5 dot balls. That will be a chase for the fielder, and the ball wins. So
That's a big one. That's gone. First 6 of the innings. Once again, he's gone for the big one. Oh, he's missed it. Bad fielding. It's Yasir Hamid.
That'll be 4. Placing Sami. And a little inside edge, and Darren Lehmann walks. Doesn't wait for Dave Shepherd to put the finger up. And bowled straight through. So the short one for the first ball, and then the quick Yorker. One is not going to fall safe. Inzamam al-Haq, the skipper. Here we go. And a swing and a miss, and they're going to run a single. Mal Khan, well, this time he's on target, and that will be the 7th wicket to fall.
93 in 50 overs, perhaps one of their better chances of beating the world champions. We'll pick up their chase in the very first over.
Great delivery.
That's put away. That's a good shot. They'll have to run hard because that ball is struggling to go to the boundary. Cleaned him up with a beauty. Oh, nice drive. Beautifully driven through the onside. I think this will be 4. Edge, and this time it's gone through, and gone through quickly to the boundary.
kind of pressure on them.
In the air, and that should be out. Matthew Hayden doesn't miss those. He moves very well for a big man.
For boundaries.
They've gone for an appeal, yes. The finger goes up. Gets off the mark with a late cut, just like Inzamam. In fact, this one is going very quickly to the rope. That's a surprise. Once again, it's the fine late cut. We've got to look at this, the Australians, and the outfield is definitely getting quicker. He's got it through, and there's a bit of power behind that one. And as we've been saying, the outfield.
Oh, another yes, no, maybe. And this could be a run out.
Well, that is out.
Given it. Shoaib Malik has to leave, and he was batting so well. Well, again, it's going to be a yes and no. And it looks like it's going to be Shahid Afridi who will have to go.
What is going on out there? What is going on? Bob Wilmer will be tearing his hair out. Pakistan were in a great position to win this game, hands down.
Hard and high. That should be maximum.
That may be wide. It's gone down the leg side. In the air, and needn't have been in the gap because that's carried all the distance. 6. In the air, didn't quite carry, and he's misjudged it horribly. Now that is very, very casual there in the deep. In the air, can the fielder get under it? And he has. Now that is... He's pulled that into the gap. That should be 4. Attempting a single. They all go up, and it meets with Shepherd's approval. Johanna can't believe it.
They're halfway in their run chase. Bowled. Darren Lehmann gets his 2nd wicket. What a crucial one for Australia.
Edge, and the faint edge. And Moin Khan, is he walking? Yes, given by the umpire. There was a faint edge. Well, yes, gone, caught behind. That's it, it's all over. Australia won the Videocon Cup. Super Challenge 2004 belongs to the Australians. But in the end, it was good, solid work, good professional work.
The Videocon Cup
for the Australian team. Let's hear it for Australia, ladies and gentlemen.